If you've lost access to your LogRocket account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the LogRocket login page. Go to the official LogRocket website and click on the login option. This will take you to the login screen where you can initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to start the password recovery process, which is essential for regaining access to your account. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your LogRocket account in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure you receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email for recovery instructions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use LogRocket to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you've accessed the recovery link from your email, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure, then confirm the new password to finalize the recovery process. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your LogRocket account without needing your phone number. Good luck!